Good morning. My hair feels out of balance right now. Welcome to the vlog. This time I'm doing a week in the life. I've never done one of these before. I'm still new to vlogging in general, so I don't know how long I'll have the patience to do this. I have to get this up. Now, I'm starting really late. I say that every time, and then it ends up being like not late at all. It's 10 to 10, so that's still record late for me. I really needed to power through Rory's room this morning. It was getting grunge. Now we're here. So we're starting today off right. I'm not gonna make this a cleaning video. Look at all that snow though. We finally got a ton of snow. That's not a ton of snow. This is actually very little snow for what I'm used to where I live. But compared to the rest of November, like this is a lot of, we finally got winter. Down into the creepy basement to pick out dinner. Oh, I don't know. I think I got lamb chops, half chicken, and ribs and veal. So many options. We're gonna do lamb. I haven't done lamb in a long time. Nap transition. I'm ready for this to be over. I'm so ready for this to be over. This whole day so far has just been one endless fucking cycle. Putting him in his crib. He sleeps for 5 minutes. He cries for 10 minutes. He sleeps for 10 minutes. He rolls around yelling dog, dog, dog until finally he's standing up screaming at the door. Because he's done. And then I get him up. I give him some food. We go on the potty. He drinks some milk. Plays with his toys. He gets cranky after only half an hour. I try putting him down for a nap. Repeat. In a more exciting story time, someone set the local Walmart on fire. So there's that. And they're saying that they would like to get the Walmart. They'd like to. Isn't that nice? They would like to get the Walmart open by mid-December. Duh. But realistically, because they're still, I think, evaluating the smoke damage, it may not be open until the new year. Fuck that. Like, I legit live somewhere where the main source of everything is Walmart. We have several grocery stores and Shoppers Drug Marts, but especially like baby essentials, it's very hard to justify paying Shoppers Drug Mart and grocery store prices or settling for the crappier brands. Nope. Like, thank God I don't have to buy him formula anymore, because I would lose my shit and go completely broke if I had to pay grocery store and drugstore prices for formula. No. Here's the other fun part about this whole Walmart bullshit. Apparently, we're just one of very many Walmarts to have some random aisle set on fire in the last 2 months between Canada and the States. If you're watching from somewhere that has had a weird random aisle fire in Walmart, comment down below on how long that took for them to reopen, because I feel like the city's idea of what they would like to see as far as an opening date is just fucking dumb and unrealistic. I don't know who hated men's coats that much that they had to set the whole aisle on fire, but fuck you. Another happy note is, look at this. If you've seen any of my vlogs, cleaning videos, whatever, you'll be aware that we had a shitty falling apart IKEA couch that was covered in coffee stains, so we needed a shitty Walmart couch cover to put over top of it, which, you know, it worked, it sufficed, but my boyfriend and I have decided that we, instead of getting each other gifts to open on Christmas, prefer sharing the full price of an expensive home item. So last year we got ourselves a TV and a wall mount for the bedroom. This year, we got a couch. A real couch. A real honest-to-God couch. And it is big, and it is floofy, and it is comfortable. And this is like as close to my dream couch as we can get without spending well over $1,000. So this was, because yes, we did still get it on sale. Super quick shout out to my girl in BC. This is her company. I think it's pronounced Hiraeth. Anne-Marie, don't kill me if I said that wrong, please. I will link everything for her down below, but she does resin work, and she made me these beads. Okay, this one's not showing up very well on camera, but this has a tiny little seashell in it. I sent her some stuff from PEI when I was a kid. This bead was made with PEI sand, and it's just so gorgeous. And then she made me this one, not from anything I sent her, but this was made out of meteorite. These look like, this doesn't justify these beads at all. I'm so sorry, but they're fantastic.
Does that smell delicious or what?
Hi there. I am just making the Rorosaurus some eggs. Hey Bugs, you hungry? Did I grab an egg? I did not. And I'm gonna put some bacon in his eggs this morning, and then he's gonna finish his grapes. We just got a letter. I kind of feel like poop this morning because I slept terribly. Bacon. So I did some stretches. I feel a little better, but now I need a hot shower because I am just too much ouch today to do this. And that's just from sleeping wrong. How old am I? Oh no! Grape down! Don't eat that, Vincent. And this is what the boys' breakfast looks like. I gotta throw this in the refrigerator for a few minutes because those eggs is hot. Is this apron not the absolute shit? My pocket's all weird because Rory was playing with it. I had a friend make this for me. It was handmade. Boop. And it is reversible. There's pockets on the other side too. That's why the pockets are weird, because they like go all the way around here. It's amazing. Good job. Boogie baby. My dog's so sad. Look at that sweater though. Guy's ready for Christmas. Christmas puppy. He's napping. I've got desserts. It's a good afternoon. I'm coming, baby. Is that a good song? It is so disgusting out today. We've got peanut butter toast and a pile of fruit salad and some milks for the dude. I still have no idea what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So I didn't really get to film much yesterday because I was feeling like ass. I didn't end up doing my grocery shopping for the first time in like ever. I had to send my boyfriend to go do the groceries because I literally just couldn't do it. I could barely eat dinner. I just was not feeling well. And I think it was all because I forgot to eat breakfast and lunch. How did that happen? I don't know. It was just a crazy mom day. I completely forgot to feed myself. That's a normal thing that happens, right? He's got a pretty big breakfast going on, so I'm gonna get my hair dye in. It does not take me that long to do this. The longest part is letting it set. Then I'll probably just wash my hair in the sink. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your hair dye. Shake your hair dye. Ridiculous. I hate doing my hair. Ow. I got this fancy schmancy claw clip. Hold my hair in a ridiculous position until I'm ready to wash it. The old lady club is at it again. Time to get ready for work before Rory wakes up. It just started snowing outside and it's foggy, so that's gonna suck to drive in. I'm not putting makeup on, but I don't know what to wear. I just feel like garbage still. I'm gonna change out of my black shirt and change into a black shirt. I feel like I need something. What is it? College sweatshirt? University sweatshirt. I don't know, how cold is it? +2, light drizzle. College sweater it is. I feel like I can justify not doing my hair, putting makeup on, if I look like a bum. And it begins. And we're off.
So, live. Yeah, kind of wrinkly or something.
Yeah. What do you think it could be?
Your hair, Steve.
It's actually before noon, and I'm in the car alone, ready to go do some shopping. I've got to do my groceries, all the stuff that boyfriend could not fetch on Wednesday because he just kind of did like essential stuff, and I'm picking up the rest now. And then I also have to finish my Christmas shopping, which consists of like the liquor store and picking up some gift cards, which hopefully I'll be able to just find a Shoppers Drug Mart, but I don't even know what I'm looking for really, so we'll find out when we get there. Okay, this is insane. I think I'm gonna have to try the other McDonald's. Plan B. So I'm at work again. I didn't get much of shopping because the stores were just packed. I actually had to go home after Shoppers Drug Mart and then go back out later to go to the grocery store because I literally couldn't even park, and there was a lineup like halfway around the building. So I was like, fuck this. I went home, unpacked the stuff from Shoppers and hung out for a little bit, and then we went out again later. Dumb probably doesn't help that the Walmart's closed. It also took me a million years to grocery shop once I was there because I am having hella cramps. It's just been a rough day. Not a bad day, just a rough day. I think what I've learned from all of this is that particularly during a pandemic, when I'm being a good citizen of Ontario and actually trying to, you know, like keep my family and myself safe because it's a pandemic, that my life is very uneventful, and it's much more interesting for me to just do a full day life vlog than for a full week. I had to try though, so that's what I did, and now we're here, and I'm boring as fuck. I'm sorry. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Vlogmas if you even made it this far, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I understand if you didn't. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and you feel like that's the thing you want to do, and we'll see you in the next one.